Namaste and a very good morning. To all my students, I hope you all are fine. So student, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is Microsoft PowerPoint. So PowerPoint is a very good software. And by using this software, we can create presentations. And by presentation, I mean that we can present our content, that can be a text, images, videos, audios, in a beautiful manner, so that you can attract your user and you can present it nicely to your customers, to the users, those who are going to see your presentation. So in this chapter, we'll learn how to use Microsoft PowerPoint. So Microsoft PowerPoint is a software that is developed by Microsoft company, and it comes under Microsoft Office suite only. So if you have Microsoft Office installed in your system, so you will definitely have a Microsoft PowerPoint also. But children, I would like to tell you that some feature varies as the version varies. So we are discussing 2010. So if you have 2010 or higher, you will see all the options which I'm going to discuss. But if you have a lower version than 2010, you might not have all that options in your software, because every time company develops some new software, or there is in market there is some new version, it always have some new features, but basics are always there. Okay, so let's get started. Right, so first I'll tell you here that how we can start the Microsoft PowerPoint, right? So here what we have to do, we have to simply, you have to go to the start button, or you can scroll down. You can see here a PowerPoint option is there under Microsoft Office. You can also find it. But if you'll not find it here in the search also, we can simply write here. You can see I have a PowerPoint here because I frequently use it. So it is there. But if you still not find here, you have to just write PowerPoint and you will get this option. You have to double click over it and the PowerPoint presentation software will open. Now it is opening at the back and I'll show you now. So this is how it will appear, right? So what I have to click from here, then I have to take a blank presentation because I'm going to create a blank one. So I'm clicking blank presentation. So this is how it will appear. The first screen is this. So I already have created one presentation for you. So let me open that also so that I can give you a brief about this. Okay. So it is opening. Yes, it is here. Okay. So let's see. This is the first page. When you open it, the first page appears. Now I have here this one. So PowerPoint, that the first screen open, it is like this. Okay. So I'll briefly tell you, this is basically same children what we have in the Word also, but the some different you can say window features are there that you will see here. So file tab is already there in all the softwares in the Microsoft. This is called quick access toolbar. You all know, whatever we use frequently, that all tools come here. This is the title bar where the title of the presentation come. That means the name of the presentation. So first here it is shown presentation 1. So by default name is the presentation 1 if we have not saved it. And this is the whole, these are the ribbon tabs. These are these whole is a ribbon. These are ribbon tabs, and these are various groups like paragraph, font. Okay, program level control keys are minimize, maximize, and to close it. Then this area is called a side pane, and this area is called a outline tab or outline pane. Has a side tab also and outline tab also. Then we have a status bar which shows us that how many pages are there in your presentation, you are on which page, right? How many words are there. And then down you can see here is a notes pane. You can write some notes related to that particular presentation which you are creating. So if we are creating something, and as a creator, if I have to keep some notes, I can write it here. But when you present it to the users, they won't be able to see it, right? Because in the whole slideshow, these notes are not visible. So that is a good feature of this. So these are only visible to the one who has created or somebody who has an access to edit it. And these are some view buttons, that how we want to make there is a slider, zoom slider also, so you can change the size accordingly, right? So this is basically that how it works. So now let's open a new one. Let's learn how to these all components of the Microsoft PowerPoint are given on page number 83 and 84, children. So do read all these once, and by side if you'll see this window, this will be more clear to you all. Okay, so let's see now. The next is how to create a new presentation, that I have already told you that you have to go to the start button, or either you write in search and then go to the blank presentation. Now, after that, we have that how to insert, how to write inside it. So let's open a new one here again. A blank presentation is here, suppose. Okay, so this one is blank presentation here. Now, these are called the dotted one where it is written click to add title. These are called what? These are called placeholders. So we can write inside it. Suppose I'm writing here a title that says computer and its paths, right? Okay, and add subtitle also if you want, you can add. So if I write here that this is created for class 4, so I've written here, or you can write that made by or compiled by, so your name and all that we can write. Then is this is one slide. So there are many features how we can change the text also. I'll quickly tell you. If you just click this on this dotted border, it will change into the complete line, right? That means it is selected. Now if you see here in the home only, there is a font group. In that you have all the options that you have in Word also used to have. So you can change the color, right? You can change the size, you can change the language, you can make it bold, italic, underline. So all these features are available here also. We can give it highlighting also. So this how it works. Okay, so this is first thing that you need to know about this software. Second is that how to save it now, right? And how to close it and exit it. So first let's save it. So if I'll go to file, there is an option save or save as. So first time if you are saving, you will go to save as. If I'll go to save as, I'll go to I am going to save it on desktop, right? And then I'm giving it name computer and its parts on the desktop, and then I'm saving it. Let's save it here. Okay, so now you can see at the top the name of this bar that has been changed to computer and its paths. Okay, so let me show you. I'm just crossing it from here. Okay, how to close it now I'll tell you. One is from file, if you'll go to close. So from here I can close it. I have already saved, so it is not asking me. This is the another one. So where I'll get it? Now I have the presentation saved where? So presentation is saved here. It is computer and its paths saved here. So if now I double click on it, so you can get your presentation back on your screen. Okay. So I hope you are clear with how to save it also. Now, there is only one slide. I have to add more information to it. What should I do? Then I should go for the next slide. Where I will go? You will go to the new slide option in the home only. Now here we have 9 layouts that are layouts for your slides. Title slide, title and content, section header. So whichever you want, you can go for that. And if you don't want any, you want to create your own style, then you can go for blank also. So let's take first title and content. So let me write a title. Suppose I am talking about computer only. So we'll say, what is computer? Okay, so you can write definition also here, or we can, I have already told you how to write, so I'm not writing definition here. I'm just simply giving it a color. and then I'll show you that how to insert pictures in this now. Now here, once I've clicked, now adding picture to it, you will go to insert option. So you have here option pictures. There are two options coming, children. One is this device, other is online pictures. So this device means which you have pictures saved in this device only. So that you will select for this device. So I'll show you both. This device, so some pictures I have, I'll go for say to the desktop, and I have some pics here. So I'm selecting this one. Say I'm selecting this giraffe and I'll insert it. So I have a picture here. Now it is not, of course, related to computer. I have just taken an sample only. So let's take something related to computer now. So how to take that? I'll go to insert. If you have already some related picture in your computer, you can go for that also. And otherwise, there is an option online pictures. And if you go to online pictures, you need to have an internet connection for this, children. So this will write here. Suppose I'm writing here now computer, as I need pictures related to computer. So these all pictures are there. So whichever you want, you can go for. Suppose I want a desktop picture or a laptop or whatever. Suppose I like this one. You have to just click over it and click insert. So now see, it is downloading and your picture is there. So these informations which comes from the internet, that you can delete also. If you don't want these ones, you can just simply select it and delete it. Okay. And we can increase and decrease the size as we want. So this is the second option, that you can insert the pictures. Okay. I hope it is clear that how we can insert pictures. The last option we have, children, here is that is how to slideshow. Now these images, these slides are there, which are now if you're seeing it as a creator, now if you have to show, you don't want to show this all home and everything to your user. So you must have seen when presentation run, they run and in a slideshow, that one after the other, every slide comes. Okay. So there are many options to go for slideshow. First, if you'll see there at the top, it says F5. You can press from, that is a shortcut key from your keyboard. That is also a slideshow. And here it is in quick access toolbar also. On the status bar also, there is one slideshow option. And there is on a tab also slideshow. And from here we can go to from beginning or whatever slide. So I'm going from beginning. So now you can see I have a full screen in on presentation has taken. So there is no ribbon, there is no title bar is now you can see, okay, as a user. So if I'll move with the mouse or with the cursor, sorry, the arrow key, so I'll move to the next slide. So this is how it works. First and next, and then we have end. And after ending this, what you have to do, you have to press escape button so you can come back to your slide like this. Okay. So I hope you got it, children. Yes. How to do all these things. I told you how to save, how to create, how to add text into the placeholders, right? How to do slideshow. I have already told you how to do the animation and transitions also. You can try that even. Okay, so that are not given in your book, but yes, I can quickly tell you, here are some transitions. That means how your slide will move to next one. Suppose I'm taking a random bars, so this will go like this. And animation means that these all will have some effects, like I'll give a wipe to this, and then I'll give a shape to this. So I'm not going that much detail in this because this is not in our syllabus, but as it's a very interesting part of the PowerPoint, so I do want to tell you that you can try this also, so that you can have beautiful effects in your presentation. So now let's try to slideshow and see how our effects are coming. See how it came. So now, yes. So this is how the effects coming. Okay, is it clear, children? And if you have already saved some other file and you want to open it, as in the other Word also, you can have an option to open from the Word open option, and then you can just check it, that which one you want to open, that you can open from here as well. Otherwise, you can simply go where it is saved, and then you can also do it. Okay, I hope, children, you like and do practice whatever we have discussed, right? And try to make nice presentations. I have already given you topic in class also, but you can try any topic which you like, whatever you like. You can make like if you love like animals, you can go for animals. If you like nature, you can go for nature also. If you want to make something for the computers only, like what is computer and what are the uses of it, then there is ample of topics are available. So you can choose any topic, related topic, insert pictures, give transition animation, save your presentation, and then show us in the class. Okay, so I hope you will show me many beautiful presentations next time in class. Okay. Okay, children. So that's all for today. And this chapter is complete now. Do practice it. Thank you. Have a good day.